Good morning. Today is Tuesday, December 6th. Today's bell work is on the board. You are going to work it on the back of one of your notes pages. It says, at the class party, there were 18 cupcakes. After the party, 2/3 of the cupcakes had been eaten. How many cupcakes were eaten? So you're going to do 18 times 2/3. So 18 times 2/3. You will have about 3 or 4 minutes to work this problem on the back of your notes. All right, our essential question for today is how can you divide fractions using models and algorithms? We're going to focus more on algorithms today, but there will be some charts and stuff. Your objective is I can divide a unit fraction by a whole number, and I will practice using models dividing a unit fraction by a whole number. All right, this problem says, what is the value of this expression? We are going to solve it. So we need to do the keep, change, flip process. So we're going to say we're going to keep 1/12. We're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the 36 over 1 to be 1 over 36. So I'm going to come over here, and we're going to keep our 1 as the numerator, and I'm going to multiply 36 times 12. Add down. So that gives me 432. So my answer is of 1/12 divided by 136 is 1 over 432. Don't forget the keep, change, flip. Please make sure you're writing everything I'm writing on my iPad. You're writing in your notes. All right, question number 2. The owner of a snow cone stand used 1/4 gallon of syrup to make 16 cherry snow cones. She used the same amount of syrup in each snow cone. How much syrup was used in each cherry snow cone? So I have 1/4 divided by 16 snow cones. So 1/4 gallon divided by 16 snow cones. Again, we're going to keep, change, flip. So we're going to have 1/4 times 1/16. And over here, I'm going to do 16 times 4. 4 times, that's 6. So 1 equals 1 over 64. Oh, can't see that very good, so we'll go up here. 1 over 64. So 1/4 divided by 16 is equal to 1/64. Make sure you have written down what I've written down. Don't worry about this section. Now we are going to go to our next question. All right. Tommy bought 3 cups of blueberries. He will eat half a cup of blueberries each day. How many days can Tommy eat the blueberries before they're all gone? So this one, we're going to take 3 cups and we're going to divide it by a half. So this is different. So this is a whole divided by a unit fraction. Okay, we're going to still do keep, change, and flip. So we're going to keep this. We're going to say 3 over 1. Change the division to multiplication and flip my fraction. Multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Divided by 1, that's going to be equal to 6. So he can eat blueberries for 6 days before they are gone. That is all for page 1 of your notes. I would like to move to the next set of notes. If you will get these out And get ready. It's the one that says the model is shaded. So now we're going to go back to models. All right, so now my problem says the model is shaded to represent the remaining half of a cake. Remaining half. 3 friends will each receive an equal amount of the remaining cake until it is all gone. Okay, so I started with half a cake, 1/2, divided by 3 friends. So I have 1/2 divided by 3. I'm going to actually work this problem out to make sure that my equation is correct. So I'm going to keep, change, flip. That's going to equal to 1/2 times 1/3. That's going to give me 1/6. So 1/2 divided by 3 is equal to 1/6. So my answer should have been H. The other thing is I need to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the, break up my cake. So I need to do 3. So I'm going to do 1, 2. That gives me 3. So each person gets 1/6. All right, next problem. Oh, Miss House made a mistake. You're only breaking up these into halves. So this half is broken into halves. This 3 piece is broken into halves. Okay, here we go. Next problem. Cyril put 1/8 pound of gravel into 6 fish tanks. He put the same amount of gravel into each tank. How many pounds of gravel did Cyril put into each fish tank? So I'm going to go back to black ink. So I have 1/8 divided by 6. Again, keep, change, flip. That's 1/8 times 1/6. That's going to give me 1/48. 1/48 pounds of gravel is what he used. All right, so let's get to the most challenging question on our notes. Weather delayed 4/6 of 24 flights departing from an airport. So we're doing departing. That means they're leaving. Okay. All the departing flights are listed in the chart. How many flights departing from the airport were delayed by weather? How many were delayed by weather? So here's what you got to do with this one. Each row is 1/6. So I'm going to label this as 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. Okay. And I'm going to do 4 of the 6. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go here. That's 4/6. Okay. So I'm going to say 4/6 times 24 because I want the total. Okay. So I want the total. How many flights departing? Okay. So 4/6 times 24. I'm going to keep this the way that we did multiplication. So we're going to say 4 times 24 over 6. Okay. 4 times 24. I'm going to go down here and do 24 times 4. That gives me 16. Carry my 1. That's 96. So that's equal to 96 divided by 6. So over here, down here, I'm going to do 6 into 96. 6 goes into 9 one time. It gives me a 3. Bring down my 6. That gives me 6 times. So that is equal to, I'm going to move this over. That is equal to 16. 16 were delayed by weather. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4/6 of 24 is equal to 16 flights. Make sure you have everything written on your notes, and then I want you to glue the first notes page in to your notebook, and then you will glue your second page into your notebook. And then you are going to do I left 3 practice pages. This is the first one, dividing fractions problems. You need to pay attention to what they're asking for and what number comes first. You need to set the problems up and box in your answers. This paper is for a grade. I want y'all to do your best and take your time and turn in your paper, highlight your name and turn it into the tray when you get done. I will see you tomorrow.